Come to a comfortable cross-legged seated position. Breathing in deeply through your nose, allowing your stomach to be pushed out. Breathing out, pulling your stomach inward. You can rest your palms facing upwards. Straighten your spine, allowing your body to be tall and extended. Rise your hands above your head on an inhalation. Bring your hands slowly down and out as you exhale. Remember to keep your breathing slow. Lower your head forwards, allowing a stretch across the back of your neck. Extend forward through the crown of your head. Rise your head back to turn your face up towards the sky. Soften your throat. Bring your head up to look over your left shoulder. Turn to face the right shoulder. Remember to keep breathing deeply into your belly. Turn your left ear over to your left shoulder. Turn your right ear over to your right shoulder. Keep breathing slowly. Come back up to center. Raise your left arm up and bend your body over towards the right side, allowing your right arm to rest on the floor. Turn your face to look up towards the sky. Change sides, bringing your right arm up and over and your left hand down to the ground. Turn your face towards the sky. Come back up to center. Bring your arms forward in front of you, extending and lowering your head towards the ground. Make sure your sitting bones are still touching the floor. Place your right foot into the corner of your left arm, wrapping your right arm around your knee to cradle your foot towards your chest. Rock gently, left and right. You'll feel the stretch in your glutes. Hold your right leg with your right hand and extend it all the way to the right. Lower your head towards your knee. You can place both hands onto your foot for a deeper stretch. If you can't reach your hands to your foot, you can place your hands on your shin or knee. We'll change to the other side. Place your foot in the corner of your arm and rock side to side. Remember to make little circles. Hold your foot and extend your left leg all the way out. Bring your hands towards your feet and lower your head. Come back up to center. Moving on to hands and knees. Extend your left leg out towards the short edge of your mat. Place your right leg underneath your hips, your toes tucked behind you, balancing on your knee and bringing your right arm down to the right side of the mat. Pulling your left arm up into the sky and looking upwards. You'll feel the stretch across your left side. Bring your left hand back down. We're going to change sides, coming back to center and extending the right leg. Left leg tucked underneath, left arm on the ground, and right arm up towards the sky. Keep breathing deeply. Bring your right arm down, coming back to center, on your hands and knees. We're going to try a balancing pose. Extend your left leg and your right arm out, balancing on your right knee and right toes and your left hand. Use your core to balance. Hold this pose as long as you can, coming down if you need to, then try again. We'll change sides, extending your left arm and pushing out your right leg. Tighten your core to hold your balance. Turn your hands and your knees back down to the ground. Coming onto your feet, gently roll up back to standing. We're going to come to mountain pose. Stand up straight and tall. Pushing firmly down through our feet and holding our shoulders back and down. Breathe deeply. Splitting your legs, place your hands on your hips. Lower your back to 90 degrees. Place your hands out towards the floor, allowing your body to fall forward. If you can't place your hands on the ground, you can hang them beneath you or place them on a book or block, anything to keep them above. We're going to turn towards the right hand side, bringing our hands towards our foot while shin and lowering our head towards our knees. Turn your toes towards the right edge of the mat. Bend your knee to a lunge. Our left toes are turned towards the long edge of the mat, and our arms are extended out in front of us and back, looking forwards. Sit low on your hips and keep your knee at 90 degrees over your ankle. Bring your hands back down to the mat and lower your head to your knee, straightening your legs, and then turn back to center. We'll change to the left hand side. Hands on your foot, head towards your knee. Turn your toes to the left hand side. Bend your knee, straighten your back leg. Bring your arms up to Warrior Two. Keeping your knee over your ankle towards 90 degrees. Bring your hands back down to the mat, straightening your front leg, head down towards your knee, breathing deeply. We'll bring our right leg up into the front. Hands on the mat, walk your feet backwards into downward dog. Keep your heels on the ground, legs gently bent, and bring your chest towards your knees. If you can't place your heels on the ground yet, don't worry. Walk your feet forward towards your hands and rise back up to standing, coming to the middle of your mat. We're going to lift our right knee out towards 90 degrees for balancing position. Bring your arms out to the sides to help you balance. Use your core to keep you stable and look gently forwards. Lower your right leg and lift your left leg towards 90 degrees. If you fall out of this position, try again. Bring your feet down to the ground, walk to the short edge of your mat. We're going to perform a dynamic flow. Bring your arms up over your head, breathing deeply, lowering your arms, sweep them down, bring your hands towards your toes. If you can't reach your toes, lower them as far as you can. Bend your knees, rolling down slowly. Place your hands behind you and roll all the way out onto the floor. Roll back up, hands on the floor. Extend your knees and roll all the way back up to standing. perform this maneuver again. Arms over our heads, breathing deeply, lowering our arms, sweeping forwards, hands to toes. Bend your knees, lowering your body down, hands behind your back, roll all the way out, flat on the ground. Roll all the way up. Hands on your toes. Extend your legs and roll all the way back up to standing. Sweep our arms over our heads again, breathing deeply. Rolling back down once more. Extend our body for final relaxation. Allow our feet to rest gently out, our palms to face upwards, and our shoulders tucked underneath us. Find a comfortable position. Feel as though our body is sinking deep into the ground, releasing any tension in any area. Breathing in through our nose, allow the air to flow into the areas where there's pain. Release any tension with our breath. You can take a moment to scan from your toes, up through your legs, into your torso, from your fingertips up towards your shoulders, into your face, to find relaxation. Once you've finished, you can come back up and enjoy your day. Namaste.